Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on set off and carry forward of losses. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on set off and carry forward of losses. The question runs like this. Let me stretch this one here. From the following information, of incomes and losses of Mr. Chandra Shekhar, find out gross total income after set off of losses for the assessment year for the assessment year 2021. The details of incomes are income from a salary, let me insert a symbol of rupee here. Rupees 80,000. Income from LOP, rupees 50,000. Loss from SOP, $80,000. Loss from non-speculative business, rupees 1 lakh. Profit from speculative business, rupees 1,20,000. Income from interest on securities, rupees 1 lakh. So, G. Short-term capital gain, which is given as rupees 2 lakhs. Long-term capital gain, rupees 2 lakhs. Long-term capital loss, rupees 50,000. So now let us go for finding solution here. So computation of gross total income, name of the assessee. So assessee in this problem here, it is Mr. Chandrasekhar. Previous year 2019-20, 2019-20, then the assessment year assessment year 2021. So now let me insert the columns here. So we need totally 5 columns: particulars, intersource, interhead, carry forward, gross total income. So particulars here. Let me write here interhead set off. Then here it is intersource set off, or simply let us write intersource only. Similarly here also, then carry forward, then GTI, that is gross total income. So now let us go for finding here. So the first head here is income from salary. So here income from salary, which can be used for interhead set off. So which is given as rupees 80,000 here. So 80,000. Then the next head here is income from house property. So here we have got income from LOP rupees, income from LOP less set off of loss from SOP. So now let's take the values here. So here income from LOP is given as rupees 50,000. Let me put this in the bracket here, which indicates minus here. So 80,000. So the difference here is 30,000, which is a loss from SOP, as it is of the current year's loss, which can be adjusted against income from salary here. So 30,000 here. This is what you get here, loss from SOP, then less set off of loss from SOP against salary, that is 30,000. So let me underline this here. So the difference comes here, that is 50,000, which is income from salary. So income from salary, this shall not be in the bracket here. So the GTI column, then the next one comes here, business head, that is income from business. So under the business head here we have got profit from speculative business, and whereas we have got loss from non-speculative. So the loss from non-speculative can be adjusted against a profit from speculation here. So profit from speculative business less set off of loss from non-speculative business So here profit from speculation is given as rupees 1,20,000 here. So 1,20,000. 1,20,000, whereas the loss from non-speculative is given as rupees 1 lakh. So let me put this in the bracket. So 1 lakh. So let me underline this here. So the difference, that is 20,000, this is income from business. So income from business, so which shall be taken to GTI column. Then the next one comes here, capital gain. So capital gains. So under capital gains here we have got long-term capital gain rupees 2 lakhs, and we have got long-term capital loss 50,000, and we have got short-term capital gain. So what we can do here, we have got sufficient long-term capital gain to adjust long-term capital loss here. So long-term capital loss, sorry, capital gain less set off of long-term capital loss, then from that we should add here short-term capital gain, short-term capital gain. So now let us substitute the values here so that we will get so long-term capital loss is given as long-term capital gain is given as rupees 2 lakhs less adjustment of loss here is 50,000. So let me underline this here. So the difference here is we are going to arrive here 1,50,000. So to this, when we add the short-term capital gain of rupees 2 lakhs, so when we take up the sum here, underline it, that comes to rupees 3,50,000. So which is nothing but capital gain here. Remember here this 3,50,000, that is inclusive of both the long-term capital gain as well as short-term capital gain here. So capital gain. So here we are going to arrive rupees 3,50,000. 3,50,000 here. Then the next head here is income from other sources. So under this we have got income from interest on securities. So which will directly take it to GTA column, that is rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. Now let us take the total here. So there is total. There is nothing in the carry forward column here. Then it is 50,000 plus 20,000, 70 plus 3 lakh 50, 4 lakh 20, 5 lakh 20,000. Notes. Loss from non-speculative can be set off against income from speculative business, then loss, the remaining loss, remaining loss from SOP can be set off against income from salary. Remember here this is current cash loss, so which can be adjusted here. So I think there are no other notes are required here, so just let me make the things bold here. It will be more visible, clearly visible to you people. Just let me make adjustment here, that's all. So these are all very short problems here. So it involves only a few heads of incomes, that's all here. So this is how we need to compute the total income here, gross total income. Thank you.